Hi, boys and girls. It is week 6, day 3 directions today. You are going to read about spiders and their webs in the little paragraphs above. And then you're going to use this word bank, leg, eyes, cephalothorax, abdomen, spinnerets, and jaws. And you're going to put them on these lines where it is showing what their labels are, okay? You're going to have to read up here to know where they go down here. And then you are going to, for writing, you're going to decide what you want to be when you grow up. Draw a picture of what you want to be here. And then write a few sentences, 1 to 2, about what you want to be. So you might tell me, I want to be a what, and then tell me why. Because. Okay? Tell me what you want to be and why. Okay? All right. And then for grammar, you're going to do short and long vowel review, and they're doing short, all the vowels. I guess I was thinking only short A, but they are doing all the vowels. So you're looking at number 1, bake. Does it make the short A sound or the long A sound? Remember, short sounds say ah, eh, okay. Long A sounds say their names. Anything long says their names, okay? All right. And then for math, you're going to have word problems. And this is only addition, so you don't have to worry about subtraction this time. But you do have to read the stories and figure out what numbers you're going to be adding and then write them down. Okay, I think that is it for day 3. Yep. Okay, so happy working hard, boys and girls. Hope everything's going well. Have a good day.